Alright, over there is the biggest second-hand market in Guangzhou. I am standing right in front of it. This market, you find your computers, phones, televisions, all kinds of hardwares, cameras, security cameras. This market, you find a lot and lots of foreigners from all over the world who comes here to do business. They want to get their products and ship. I was able to come here and find out more for myself and be able to show you more about this place. This is a very beautiful and unique place, and as you can see, everyone is given the liberty to do their businesses and earn and make some money. So I'm able to get this video to you. If you like any of these products, you can reach out to me, and I will see what I can do for you. If you like this video, please like this video, share and comment. Let's see what we can do together. Bye bye for now. There are lots of people from across the world who comes here to buy stuff. Hello. Hi, how are you? How's it going? Huh? You look tired. Yeah. Because I wanted to, a friend was coming and applied to your school. Ah. So that, guys, this is like in Guangzhou, you know, each area has a basically each specialization, each market. This market particularly is located in Guangzhou, and they deal on second-hand electronics or gadgets. Their phones, watches, laptops, cameras, anything. Found a solution? Found a solution? What? Paso? Ah, sorry. I can't flat there, I know. So you can get all you want here. You can get all you want here. Phones, iPhones, iWatches, laptops, MacBooks. There you go. And then fix laptops. That's a new phone. Oppo Pop 10 C67. These are new type of phones. Sorry, miss. Hello. What kind of phones are this?
MOS.
This one, for your motherboard, the motherboard have problem. My people already fixed a little bit the motherboard.
Yes.
But it already fixed very bad, so I can try to have fixed the motherboard now. If okay, need 500.
So much.
Yes, because you already fixed very bad.
What is the selling point?
Last time, the fell in the water, right? Just one time. Then the keyboard, the backlight, the light on the keyboard stopped working, and the camera stopped working. But everything else, okay. The touch pad also not working. So yesterday, I still use the charging port. This side not working. Only one I can use. Yesterday, I plugged. Yeah. So, what's the best price you can give me?
No, you do under the company.
I have some.
What? Today. Quickly, tomorrow. Can you send? You don't want? I give you my address. When you finish, you post transfer money to you? You have a business Facebook. This is Facebook business. How much are these for?
750.
Big boss.
Can check the camera for me also. Check and the back lights, the keyboard lights.
Keyboard light. Yes, you know different. Different WhatsApp. Same thing with African people is different
Maybe that is for business.
Also because
This is for Facebook.
sometimes use but like some other picture.
You give me your WeChat. You can talk later. Huh? You go? You're from Guangdong?
I'm working here but I'm not
Which part of China? Sichuan. Good food.
spicy food.
Yes. Hot pot.
What do you like?
Yes.
Okay, go to Chengdu.
No, I had a lot in Malaysia.
Which country? Which city? Yeah, Guangdong. China. Which country?
I want to look for someone who will make it to my special.
I think if you go Chengdu, it's different. Spicy food.
So how long did you live here?
Here, Guangdong, 20 years.
All your family is there? Hello. Cameras. Camera.
The Canon 5D Mark IV. 6,005 RMB.
Yes.
With a lens or without a lens?
Body only.
Body only.
Which one? Which camera?
This is 690 standard.
Where? Let me
No, where is it? Where is?
Can we see?
Can.
Cameras, different lenses, Nikon, Sony. Maybe this one.
Canon 5D Mark IV. How about Sony A7 III?
Canon.
Then the lens. How much the 30 to 70 mm? what length do you have for the 5 inch? 6525 at 9,000.
Yeah, expensive.
9,000.
That's like 1,000.
2 million.
1,000.
Something million.
$1,500.
Okay.
Yeah. Just like that.
Nigeria already bought 2 million. Already bought 2 million for Nigeria.
No, this one cheaper. Now.
Yeah.
This one now, if you even buy and say you sell them, you get profit. 2 million for Nigeria. That means
That's just the body.
no, it's zero. Why you not talk to them? Let's see.
How many did you work out for? 2 of them.
Hello, Ni hao. Your eyes are big and beautiful, like the panda. You are from Guangzhou?
Yes.
Guangzhou? I thought maybe from Sichuan, some place for panda. No? Oh, 漂亮。
谢谢，你很帅。
谢谢。Awesome. So these are all for laptops and whatnot. Yeah? Ah, same. You are Jojo?
My mother, Jojo.
Your mother Jojo. What's your name? Sensu chicken.
Yes.
Oh, Suki. Oh. Japanese? Suki. Japanese. Your card? Jojo. That's your mom? Oh. Your mom? Hello. No, look. Same. Joint screen. Oh, yeah, same. That's your dad? Oh.
他现在直播。OK Hello。 都可愛啦，反正就幾支啊。
佢一時佢嬲時爆個，我都水水計啲啲嘅嗬。
呢個俾啦，人家幾
What's the price of this
佢幫你護理，
Lenovo Yoga? 4,000. 7,000.
計出十計出五計咯。
Find the price on Nigeria.
我估啦，
No, no.
你头发是真的吧？没有接了啊。好看啊，现在。哎呀，我现在拿牌子找到这里。
We still have way to go. Let's go. I'll text you. Bye-bye.
我一般你看你是4K 那种。
Military wear. Perhaps not here in Nigeria, I can't buy military gadgets.
If you 50 pieces, this one price around 320.
You want to buy Bluetooth?
No. That's a little tactical game. Olive.
Why
Wetin I
these
go-
same
I
short
take-
people they like big things like this?
Voila, now I see. I have one boss. Just need to do extra soft. Once I do extra soft, I don't do one.
Hey, PS5. Who has the price? Okay. Huh? Gentle. Hello.
Under your baby 1 to 2 months.
No,
Labor.
here we have
Outside
one.
3 years.
Listen,
Inside 1.
we could bring you another one.
Okay.
Nihao, just out of curiosity, how much is this? 2.8. Not up to $500. About 800. 谢谢啊。
谢谢你。
Brand new. You have a card? Thank you very much. This place you get your PS5, you can see. PS5. All kinds of games. What you want? You got it.
Check another place. These people just say make I come to you.
See that. That is 1.5. 老板，你好。
你好，
多少钱
4500。
？4500。English, my friend, English. How much?
4500.
4,500. This one?
Yes.
This one?
1700.
1,700. How? So your MacBooks, you can find them here. You know, if you need that, leave a comment down below, and I'll get them for you. Just let me know. Wherever you are in the world, you need these products. Just let me know. This is what I'm here for. I'll get it done. What's that?
Very please.
This one.
I swear.
Top dog.
This one's supposed to reach 5,000 plus.
Ask.
Hello. Without capital as soon as possible.
Museum.
Yeah. 3,000. But that's
Hair dryers, cores. What do you want? We all got it here.
see I try to see.
I have to move now. I'm done here now.
Chef, marka hadday rabto saas.
This Chinese guy. Camera gadget, see this Chinese guy. Yeah. So this market, you got to find everything you want when it comes to cameras, security cameras, even military gears, anything to do with computers, phones, tech hardwares. You find them here on this place. Speakers, get new and secondhand as well. So if you want any of these products and you would like,
Things really like food.
this one too. Huh? Mama, how much is this?
2,600.
You see? That guy, the attitude I already know saying.
What brand is this?
Chinese blend.
Chinese brand.
Wholesale price or?
How many pieces you need?
See like 100 pieces. 2,480.
You have a card?
This is Android projector.
Yeah. Android smart projector.
What are the prices, please?
Total?
Yeah.
Total about 200, 250, 300, 500. This is totally price a little high. 900, 1,200, 1,200, 1,500, 1,800.
Oh, okay. Can you display 4K?
Okay, moving on.
Can I see the back? How you connect to the
Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi, another thing.
Wi-Fi can.
Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, YouTube, Netflix, inside. Google Play Store. Also, the USB, HDMI also.
Okay, but it has a remote, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Up level control.
This is say 1,200.
Yeah. 1,000.
Coffee maker.
Android display. This Android display is the way they use for all the centers.
Yeah, how much?
2,800.
2,800.
Can you try it again? I want to see. Lily. Oh. Okay. Nice name. Bye bye.
Tomorrow things that but Baba not today now. Go update you.
Bye bye. Ni hao.
No wahala. I will full of, no worry. Now tomorrow. Yeah. Alright. No. 3.5. No wahala. I go beat you. Oh boy, how much is this? The amount code of this one. 1,800.
About $200 to $300.
Almost the same price for Malaysia. I didn't get this thing. I get them from Malaysia. A very big church speaker. One of the baddest. How about this one?
Expensive.
Yeah, high quality. A real speaker for this.
150. That's $100.
Huh?
$100.
Yes, sir. Now JBF is original. That's a boss set. Boy, I settle in first before I go buy one jam box. This one?
1,600.
Wow. Bye bye.
You guide me, you teach me, you help me.
You